next thing we're going to look at is the credit sale. The credit sale button enables you to sell on credit to your customers, and then they are able to come back to make payment at a later time. So let's go straight ahead to add a credit sale. Remember to always select your customer before you sell on credit for easy tracking of their transactions when they want to come back to make payment. It's very, very important that it is recorded under their proper names. So let's say we want to sell to Mr. Ikenna. So Mr. Ikenna wants to buy on credit. So I selected his name, and you can see he's owing already 25,000 naira. So Mr. Ikenna wants to buy Crocs on credit. So all I have to do is just, once I select the product he wants to buy, once I select the product from the product field, or I click on it on this side panel here, I go ahead and click on credit sale, and that transaction is recorded under his name, under Mr. Ikenna's name, and then it says it is a due invoice. So as you can see here, we have this invoice. This is the customer's name, Mr. Ikenna Ima Nwachukwu, and his mobile number. So if you want to view the status of this invoice right now, you're going to see where we say total and total due. So you can see he's owing 500 as for this particular transaction, and the whole amount he was owing before was 25,000 naira. So that is how the credit button works on Prokip. The next button we're going to look at is the draft. The draft button enables you to draft some items. Let's say I want to check or have all these products on a particular list and be able to tell their prices. All I need to do is just select the product I want and then click on draft. So you can see right here that draft has been added successfully. Another video is available where you can see everything you have drafted. Quotation works pretty much the same. So now we're going to look at how our quotation button works. So someone walks in and wants to get a quote of some particular product in your business. Let's say Airtel MiFi, 1,000 naira withdrawal, and so on and so forth. They want to know, okay, how much? Just print it out for me. Let me have the quotation right here so I can go and show it to my boss or something. So once you select all the products you want, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on quotation right here. So right here you can see this quotation does not deduct from your stock, neither does the draft. They are just a form of record keeping on the software. They enable you be able to give your customers quotations or drafts. So this, for instance, now Airtel MiFi 15,000, 1,000 naira withdrawal is 100 naira, chicken is 2,000 naira, a total of 17,100. So once you print this and give to the customer can actually know the exact cost of what he's buying and be able to plan better. Basically, that is how it works. These particular transactions can be edited and converted to invoices when you want to actually sell to the customers. Another video is available that explains that. So the cancel button enables you to clear your screen. If, for instance, I select some products, a lot of products are being selected, and I cannot start deleting them one after the other like this by clicking on X. I have a lot of them. So all I need to do is just click on cancel, and it will cancel this transaction for me at a go, just once. So it clears the screen. So that is how it works. So let's say you give out discount to customers and you want to record shipping, or you do tax, and this is how you go ahead to give a discount. Let's say Mr. Emmanuel is a regular customer, right, and he wants a discount from Crocs. Let's type it. He wants to buy Crocs Thunder Black, and he wants us to give him a discount. So this is 250 naira. I can decide to say, okay, click on this pen icon here to give him a discount, and say either it is percentage or it is fixed. So let's say fixed discount, and say I'm discounting 20 naira, and I'll click on update. So you can see, instead of 250, that is the total payable is now 230, because I gave him a discount of 20 naira. So that is how you give discount on the point of sale terminal. So right here you can decide to add shipping details. So your shipping details can be a form of note. This is my shipping details. You can put your shipping address right here. You can enter your shipping charges, how much, if there is a shipping charge that is applicable here. Shipping status, is it ordered, packed, shipped, or delivered, or cancelled? Depending on the status of your order, of your shipping, you can say ordered, delivered to, you enter the name of who you are delivering to, Mr. Emmanuel. So I'll go ahead and click on update, and then my shipping details have been added successfully. So you can also pick tax that is supposed to be deducted from this particular transaction. You can say maybe VAT, and then you update. So the VAT is added to this amount here. You can see it increased from 230 to 266.10. So when you want to sell with tax involved or on any product, you just come here and pick a particular tax that you have set up already on your back end. So right here we have subscription. If the service you're rendering is a form of subscription, you can go ahead and check it, and the system will recognize it as a subscription based service. So once this is checked and you want to check your sales record, you're going to see you're going to be able to filter by this subscription. Here we have the add button in front of this product field, where we can add products directly from the point of sale terminal. So if I click on this plus button right here, we have all this information available, and then we can go ahead to create our product at a go. So these buttons right here, this view button enables you to view all your payments on our payment system, while the recent transaction button enables you to view your recent transactions, and then you can edit or print it or delete, right? You can also view quotation from here. All the quotations you've added can be viewed from under recent transactions. Also your draft is available here. So I go ahead and click on close. So you can view suspended sales by clicking on this button right here, and then you can close from here. So you can view your register details from here, your current register. You can view it. You can see it gives you a breakdown of the different activities that took place on your point of sale. You have a total cash payment of 22,750. You have a bank transfer of 250. Total sales is 23,000. Total payment made 22,750, which means someone is owing you 900 here, credit sales. Then you have your total sales to be 23,900. So these are the details of the product sold, and then you can decide to print all this information or close it. So right here we have our register where we can close our register. If you want, when you're done for the day and you're closing the shop and you're going home, all you need to do is come right here and click on close register, and then you're going to see the details of the register, and you can go ahead and say close register. So once you say close register, that register will be closed for that day, and then you'll be brought to this page where you can reopen your register. So when you want to reopen your register in the following day, you enter the amount in hand, the cash in hand. If you don't have any cash in hand, you impute 0. But if you have a particular amount of money you are starting the day with, you can enter it here. Usually it's always 0, since money does not stay till the following day in most businesses. So once I enter 0, I go ahead to click on open register directly for a new business day, and then I have my point of sale terminal right here ready for me to attend to customers. So we have our keyboard operations here where you can use your shortcuts. You can view them and utilize the shortcuts available on the point of sale terminal. Right here you can configure your product search. You can set the parameters at which Prokip helps you search for your product. Right now we search products by product name and SKU only. You can decide to add more custom fields that can help the software find your products with extra parameters right here. So thanks for watching this video.
Prokip, your business growth partner.